Everyday resistance makes no headlines. Millions of individual acts of defiance. No dramatic confrontation, no newsworthy moment. But small actions can have a massive impact, inspiring others to act. For as long as some people have oppressed others, the powerful have threatened our right to protest. Scared of the progress people power can bring. Because nonviolent movements change our world for the better. Resisting hopelessness and despair, spreading love and solidarity, bravely defending what we believe in. But change has become more challenging than ever. So, let's stand together and protect our right to be heard. Join the movement, be part of something bigger. Protect the protest.